Are you planning to buy a drone in 2024? Hello guys, so today's vlog we will compare these two drones in DJI and let's see the specs comparison between the DJI Air 3S, the new DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. And I will help you to decide which drone is the best for you. So before anything else, if you like a photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So let's start compare these two drone guys, the DJI Air 3S, the new DJI Air 3S, compare with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So these two DJI drone, it's popular among the drones now in 2024. So again, yan. So let's start now. Regarding for photo and video quality, the DJI Mini 4 Pro have 1 and 1/3 sensor, CMOS sensor with 48 megapixel for photo, while DJI Air 3S have already 1-inch CMOS sensor for the wide angle because you have already two camera wide angle which is 24 millimeter 1-inch sensor, and the telephoto which have 3x medium telecamera have a 1 and 1/3 sensor. So again, you have two sensor from the or two camera from Air 3S. The wide one which is 1 inch CMOS sensor and the telephoto which is 1 and 1/3 CMOS 3 times medium telephoto. Yan. And also 50 megapixel in photo. So again, 48 megapixel for Air 3S, Mini 4 Pro, and 50 megapixel for the DJI Air 3S. And again, it's 1-inch sensor. Yan. Regarding for videos, the DJI Mini 4 Pro have 4K 60 frames HDR or 4K 100 frames slow motion, while the DJI Air 3S have 4K 60 frames HDR, similar with the Mini 4, and 4K 120 frames slow motion. Regarding for flight performance and safety features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro and DJI Air 3S both 45 minutes maximum for battery life, maximum video transmission range up to 20 km FCC with 10 km CE, DAS, SRRC, and MIC. Yan. But DJI Mini 4 Pro have omnidirectional obstacle sensing, while the DJI Air 3S have nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. And the DJI Mini 4 Pro has APAS Advanced RTH, while DJI Air 3S has APAS Next Gen Smart RTH. Regarding for portability and weight, the DJI Mini 4 Pro have only 249 grams. Depends on the battery. If you use the 35 minutes battery, it's 249. But if you use the 45 minutes battery, it takes more weight, like 300 something. I'm not sure on the weight, but it's 320, 310. It's not 249 grams anymore using the 45 minutes battery. But the DJI Air 3S have 724 grams. So, yeah, this is the Air 3S. Yan. Let's compare. So, yan. It's totally new. We have a demo unit. This is the demo unit. So, still we didn't try. And this is the Mini 4 Pro when you unfold. So, and guys, again, if you are a travel blogger or content creator, and especially for travel, this is the best drone, the Mini 4 Pro. If you like to take a reels, I'll go with the Mini 4 Pro. So it depends on the destination. I think they have a limitation of how many grams that you can use. So it depends on the country. So just check the country, which country you will visit, and check their laws regarding the drones, flying with the drones. So yeah, this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro and DJI Air 3S. So for me, for personal, if I want to use for travel, I will go with DJI Mini 4 Pro. But for small production, for content creator, and if you don't have any issues for travel with this drone, then I'll go with DJI Air 3S with a 1-inch sensor. So it's good for photo and also for video. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want for travel type of drones, go direct to DJI Mini 4 Pro. So no hassle. Use only the 35 minutes battery, and you have 249 grams, perfect for travel. But if you have a small production, or if you are a content creator, if you want more better quality slow motion and better photos, better sensor, then I will go with DJI Air 3S. If you don't have any issue traveling with this size and also on the destination. So, yeah, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. It's a fast vlog regarding DJI Air 3S and DJI Mini 4 Pro. So, if you want to check price and availability of this product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So, yeah, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.